Coloring Dreams.
Hi kids! Today, we're going to draw the letter C with 4 words start with letter C. Can you say C like carrot, cat, cake, and clock? Make sure you have your crayons, markers, or pencils ready. Use your favorite color. Let's draw now. Start at the bottom, start at the top of your paper, but we're only going to draw part of it. Now, take your pencil and slowly draw a big curve. Start from the bottom and go up, but don't close the circle. When you've curved all the way around, stop before you reach the bottom. That's where the C ends. The letter C looks like a mouth that's open wide. Can you make your mouth like a big C? You've done an amazing job today. Look at that. We made the letter C. Great job. Now, we're drawing something healthy, crunchy, and loved by bunnies. Can you guess what it is? That's right, it's a carrot. Let's draw the body of the carrot. It looks like a big triangle with rounded edges. Carrots grow under the ground, so this part is where all the good nutrients are stored. Now, let's add the top of the carrot. These are the green leafy parts, and they grow above the ground. Make some little zigzag or wavy lines at the top. Let's make the carrot look more real by adding tiny curved lines across its body. Let's draw and learn about a yummy cake slice. Are you ready to draw cake yummy now? Let's draw this together and talk about all the fun things we can do with cakes. Now look at the sides. They're made of straight lines and wavy lines. It's shaped like a big triangle, just like a piece of pizza or a mountain. Can you think of other things shaped like a triangle? It's a big swirl of whipped cream. It looks like a little cloud sitting on the cake. Maybe you'd like to add some cherries or sprinkles to make it even prettier. The wavy line is the frosting dripping down. Let's drawing a super special friend, Mr. Tick-Tock, the clock. Mr. Tick-Tock helps us know what time it is. Isn't that cool? Let's explore and draw together. Do you see the big circle? That's the face of the clock. It's round, just like a pizza or the sun. Can you think of anything else that's round? Point to the clock in your house and see where the small hand is pointing. Is it on the 3? That means it's 3 o'clock. What's the time on your clock right now? Let me know. On top, there are 2 tiny shapes that look like little hats or bells. These are called alarm bells. They help wake us up with a loud ding 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 in the morning. Look at these 2 arrows in the middle. These are the clock's hands. We're going to draw an adorable little cat. Drawing is so much fun because you can use your imagination to create something amazing. To draw our cat's head, we'll start with a big oval or a circle. It doesn't have to be perfect. This will be the base of the kitty's face. Now, let's add 2 pointy triangles at the top of the head. These are the kitty's ears. Cats have amazing hearing. They can even hear sounds that humans can't. Can you wiggle your ears like a cat? If not, let's just draw them instead. It's time to draw the face. Add 2 small circles for the eyes, a tiny triangle for the nose, and a curved line underneath for the smile. Now, let's give our kitty a body. Draw a rounded oval below the head and then add 2 little paws in the front. Cats are so graceful when they walk on their paws. They tiptoe everywhere, which is why they don't make much noise. We can't forget the tail. It's one of the most important parts. Draw a long, curvy shape coming from the back of the kitty. Cats use their tails for balance, especially when they're climbing or jumping. Don't forget to draw some whiskers on each side of the face. They make the kitty look extra cute. Whiskers aren't just for decoration. Cats use their whiskers to feel around in the dark or measure spaces to see if they can fit through. It's like having superpowers.
Blue.
The letter C is so cool and so creative. Let's grab our crayons and make this letter bright and fun while learning lots about it. Let's start by coloring the inside of the letter C blue.
C.
Blue is such a calming color, kind of like the sky or the ocean. Did you know the letter C is the third letter of the alphabet? That's where C lives. The letter C is super important because it helps us make lots of words like cat, carrot, and cake. Let's color the edges of the letter now. I'll make them black to make our letter stand out.
Orange.
Start with the body. Let's color the carrot's body bright orange. Carrots are usually this color because of a special nutrient called beta-carotene, which is really good for our eyes.
Carrot. Green.
Now we're moving to the carrot's leafy top. Let's color them a nice bright green. These leaves grow above the ground while the carrot grows below. Let's decorate this yummy slice of cake. This isn't just any ordinary cake. It's a magical treat, ready to be colored with your favorite colors and toppings. Start with the cake layers. First, let's color the main cake layer.
Pink.
Now for the fun part, the frosting on top. Let's make it bright pink for a strawberry flavor. You can imagine this frosting being whipped cream, or even icing with sprinkles. Maybe it's a magical frosting that changes colors when you eat it. What colors would you want it to be? I'm going with bright orange, but you can make it chocolate brown, strawberry pink, or even a rainbow.
Cake.
What's your favorite flavor? Mine might be chocolate. Did you know cakes can be made in all kinds of flavors?
Red.
We are going to color a beautiful clock, coloring the bells on top. Now, let's color the two bells at the top. Use a bright red to make them pop. These bells make a ding-ding sound when the alarm goes off. That's how the clock wakes us up in the morning. Do you have an alarm clock at home? The short hand is called the hour hand because it tells the hours. The long hand is called the minute hand because it shows the minutes.
Clock. Purple.
Now let's color the outer frame of the clock. We'll use purple. Purple makes it look bold and special. This frame protects the clock and makes it look nice and strong. Go slow and steady as you color. The clock's face is where we see the numbers and hands. It's very important because it helps us know the time. Slowly color the circle, staying inside the lines. We're coloring a super cute cat now. Let's make this little kitty bright and colorful, just like a rainbow.
Cat.
We'll start with the kitty's face. I think I'll use pink for one side and green for the other. Let's color the ears pink and add some fun details. Isn't that fun? Cats are usually one color, but today we're making a magical kitty who loves to stand out. What colors are you using? Maybe blue, purple, or even orange, any color you like.
Yellow.
Maybe you want to draw a ball of yarn or a little butterfly for her to chase. Cats love to play, so your kitty will need a fun toy or a cozy blanket. Did you know cats use their whiskers to feel around in the dark? It helps them know if they can fit through tight spaces. Imagine this kitty exploring at night with her magical colors glowing. Now let's move to the tail and the little paws. I'm using green for the tail with a pink tip. Cats use their tails for balance, especially when they're climbing trees or jumping. Next, let's color the body. I'm using bright yellow to make her look super cheerful. You can pretend she's a sunshine kitty spreading happiness wherever she goes. Maybe your kitty lives in a magical forest or on a fluffy cloud. Where does your kitty live?
Carrot. Cake. Clock. Cat.
Thanks for drawing with me today. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun art videos. See you next time, little artists.